Welcome to this quick tutorial how to use the TailorBook app, your ultimate digital assistant for managing your tailoring business with ease. Okay, so today we know about the adding a new customer. To add a new customer, simply tap on the add customer button. The add customer button located on right side and the bottom of the screen. First press it, then you got this type of a screen. You add your new orders from the add from contact numbers and directly, just like client name Raman, their phone number. I just put random numbers, client address, let's suppose. Then we should check client male or female. Okay, then we select just like in a mail. Okay, then we'll start creating orders, which one our client want, shirt or pant, and the many more options: coat, chola, pajama, sherwani, dhoti, and so on. ठीक है, first we create some random orders like two shirts and one pant. Then we select shirt and pant. I want The customer wants two shirt. Then we will press plus button. Then get quantity of two shirts. Then next, after the next button, we got this type of screen. There is a create an user profile. ठीक है. First option, fabric image. In this option we can use the capture the fabric image and put on this. Okay, then order date. Today is 25 of June. Then there is mentioned 25 of June. Remind date, it means ki how I create the orders to start. Okay, then delivery date, where my order completed and I is ready for the delivery. So just remind me that today is 25, then I set the reminder date for 26. Okay, delivery date, and just I selected delivery date 28 of June. ठीक है. There is some land, shoulder, waist, chest, vest, many more options in these options. Like we can put option, our sizes. I just put random numbers because because I'm just showing how to enter the numbers. Okay, in land side you can see a zero. The zero is our tailor use many more sizes like 1 and 1/4, half, and 3/4. You can use directly. Okay, the step is scroll down. The collar bar is classic. I choose sleeve, full or half. I choose half. Curves, squared, rounded. Choose sample image. If customer wants, I need this type of shirts, then you can click the picture and upload in that. Okay, same you can use for the pant. You can enter the size of the length, waist, hip circumference, thighs circumference, knees. Okay, and this zero from the different sizes as our tailor needs. ठीक है, back pocket type, flap, without flap. Okay, I just choose it. I'm just showing how we enter our data from the customer requirement. There is, you can see the two more options, sample image. You can also put like where we are using this option in shirt, we can upload a picture of the pant, which type of pant customer wanted. Okay, and in bottom two more options, write a note about this order and record audio. If our tailor want to record their audio message, They can record it. They wrote some notes about the order, what customer extra requirements on it. He can easily write in this. Then payment option, click on it. In payment details, there is some types of different fields. First off, sir, shirt stitching, price 250. You can set the price when we are selecting the shirt pant order, or you can modify according to them. Just like I am just setting the price 300, pant price already 250, or let's say 400. Okay. Then shirt stitching quantity is 2, pant stitching quantity is 1, shirt stitching per shirt price is 300, our quantity is 2, then is total create 600. And the pant stitching, our price is 400, the quantity is 1, so that our total is 400. Then items of total is 1000. Additional charges is discount, you can mention according to the your need. ठीक है. Payment mode, cash, UPI payments, ATM, net banking. Advance amount, if your customer pay you advance amount, like the total orders become 1000 and he gives you 400 advance, then your due amount is showing 600, then you save it. When you save all this detail, then press save button. Then it's generate your invoice. This invoice have many details of the customer requirement, your boutique your shop name, invoice number, total amount, issue date, shirt stitching, pant stitching, their quantities, their unit price, their total, taxes, subtotal. We mention all of this. Trial date, delivery date, everything is mentioned. Okay. Total amount, advance due, as per you create this invoice. Okay. You can send this invoice to your customer directly, text messages, WhatsApp, print out, download, and many more options.